Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing off something that one of my classmates was able to 3D print for me. It is a wooden railway style J50 and it already has some cat hair on it. So I'm just gonna pop everything off real quick. I really hope I don't break it. I'm gonna start off with the boiler. Oh. Oops. Oop. Hey! Oh, this is looking a little bit rough here. Come on, focus. Yeah, looking a little bit rough here at the bottom. It's fine, that's fine. Next up, wheels. I'm really hoping I don't break the rod here. Oh. Hey, got the wheel off. Oh. Next up, I think I'm gonna do the coal. Oh, that one came off quite easily. Footplate. This one's like one of the biggest pieces, I think, although it's quite short. Oh, thank God. For a moment there, I thought I broke it. Yep, came off pretty well. Now we got this weird clumpy area that's supposed to be the bottom, the chassis. Oh, hold on. All the little support pieces just stick to the ground. This is surprisingly easy. I'm like completely new to 3D printable stuff, so I had no idea it would be this easy. But yeah, now it's just chilling there. It broke. You've got to be kidding me. It like actually broke. Note to self, if I ever end up remaking this model, make it a lot more structurally stable. Because that broke super easily. And it was sad. Yeah, you can see here is at the window area. It broke. It's fine though, a little bit of super glue should probably help. Let's see, yeah, so this fits in here. Actually, wait, hold on. But place it first. Okay. So here we've got the 3 wheels, pole, cab front. We've got the boiler area, footplate, and chassis. No, this was based off the oh God, this was based off the original drawing that Wilbur Audrey did of the J50 Thomas. Yeah, that's kind of like what I decided to base my model off of. No real reason, just kind of felt like it. Man, this is like really hard to fit in. This is like one of the things I was worried about when making this, you know, how difficult it would be to put it in. That was fine. So the boiler slots in here if it wants to. And it just fits here. on the foot plate. Okay, then we got the front of the cab just fitting on here. And now we got the back of the cab. My God, it keeps like falling over. I don't like it. Well, yippee, there it is. But wait, there's one more thing for the top part. I need to put the coal in. Honestly, I don't think the coal is gonna like go in very well. So I'm just gonna like put it in upside down for now. I don't know. I gotta like make a bigger version of this where there's like a lot more leniency with the space and all. So maybe it's just because they're all so small. Minor errors can be a lot more impactful. So anyway, I'll probably make an updated version eventually. Jesus Christ. Oh God, I need to remake this. I also forgot to take the other wheels off of here, so nope. I'm just gonna give up that. For now at least. My God. This is like surprisingly difficult. I was here thinking, oh, it'll just be an easy thing to make. No. Not easy. Either fits or it won't come apart when I need it to. Alright, I finally got in. Let's go. And I put it in backwards. Have you guys ever thought about committing homicide? Well, don't. Instead, have a hot pocket. I'm back. I've returned from the Hot Pocket land. I'm back in the hell I dive. Come on. I don't think this is getting done. I was really excited for this, but honestly, it ain't happening. Like, not even the wheel will go into the holes. Like, Jesus. Yep, this is going to have to be an unfinished project. Ain't the thing. I even made some tracks for it. Multiple kinds, too. Oh well. Well, I guess it'll just have to be left unfinished until I create a new version. Although I do wonder, can I get one of these wheels onto the other kind? No, I can't even do that. Wow. I was like really excited. Oh well. See ya.